Hey everyone, this is Mike. A lot of our users leverage Layer's document view to create stunning PDF reports that they can share with their clients or other project stakeholders. Until now, document view has been limited to a single element per PDF page. We've seen many users create workarounds, so that inspired us to create our newest feature, Summary Document View. Let's dive into this feature to see how it works. We'll look at this new feature through the lens of a building assessment project. Let's assume your client, in this case a university, has asked you to create assessments for each of several buildings that they're considering renovating or replacing. As you can see right here, we have 4 assessments that have been created. Each of the areas in question has a numerical grade assigned, but the client would like to see all of this in a PDF table. In order to do this, we'll utilize the summary document view. We'll go to create a new view. We'll call this summary for client. And then we'll select document view just like you would for a single element document view. You can see there's a new option at the bottom here. We'll go ahead and click on summary. If you have default document styles defined, this is where you can apply them. Once you've selected your options, simply hit create view. Next, what we'll do is you can start with a pre-built document if you already have those saved, or in our case, we'll start from scratch. Just like the individual element document view, you'll start with a blank canvas and you can start adding information by selecting edit in the top right corner. You'll have many of the same options, including different containers, as well as fixed containers, static elements such as text or images, as well as the most important, a summary table at the bottom. We'll skip right to the good stuff and start configuring this summary table by clicking on it and dragging it to the page. As you can see, we can see the 4 elements that we have from our layer category already in this table, but we want these numerical gradings to show in this table as well. As we scroll down, you'll notice that you can add additional columns. In this case, our client is most interested in things like the size of the building, when it was constructed, as well as the numerical gradings in each area. All right, so we've added gross square footage as well as the construction date. Now we need to add some of these ratings. First, we're going to start with the HVAC. This can be one of the more expensive parts or pieces of equipment to replace in a building. Next, they're really interested in the ceiling finishes because there have been complaints from some students. As you can see, there's a 40% grade on dormitory building B. Next, we'll go ahead and add other information, including mechanical. We're interested in the IT systems because these are another expensive system in university campuses. We need to add the electrical, and then we'll go ahead and add plumbing as well. All right, now we have our table, but as we can see, we've crammed a lot of information into this page. So we need to start styling it so that everything fits. The first thing we're going to do is go ahead and give our table header a slightly smaller font so that everything fits in. We'll drop this down to 8. Next, we want to add a slightly smaller font size for our gradings. All right, that looks better. Once you're happy with your table, you can go ahead and hit publish to save these changes. You may wish to add other styling options to this table or to this report before you share, but sharing is just like you would in any other document view. You can click Create Report in order to send these as a PDF via link, or you can download them and email them yourself.